Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this word, 才. This is an adverb. It is used when something happens very late. For example, 他10点才起床. He gets up at 10 o'clock. He gets up at 10 o'clock is 他10点起床. Getting up at 10 o'clock seems pretty late. So we can say 他10点才起床. Okay, let's see one more example. She gets off work at 10 o'clock. 她晚上10点下班. Getting off work at 10 o'clock is really late. So we can say 她晚上10点才下班. Now, please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. She goes to bed at 12 o'clock. How to say that with the word 才? It's 她12点才睡觉. Now, let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? He went to work at 10 o'clock. How to say that in Chinese? We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's see the answer to the question of our last class. We can say 他7点就上班了. Did you write the right sentence? Okay, see you in the next video.